What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about slow speeding websites. Let's face it, nobody has time to wait for a website to crawl across the finishing line. If your website is lagging, you're losing visitors faster than you can say dial-up. Today I'm going to share 3 simple tricks that are going to send your website from a sluggish snail to a supersonic cheetah. So let's dive straight in. Our first trick, image optimization. First up, images. They can be gorgeous, but oh boy, can they also weigh down our website. See this? That's a website killer right there. But fear not, there is a solution. Next generation image formats like WebP and AVIF. These bad boys deliver the same stunning quality with a fraction of the file size. It's like magic, but for website speed. Let's go to trick number 2, minification. Next up, let's talk about code. Your website is built with lines of code, just like this. But all extra white spaces and formatting, it's like a website deadweight. That's where minification comes in. It's like a code gym, squeezing out all the unnecessary stuff, leaving you with a lean, mean loading machine. The result, faster speeds and happier visitors. And now we arrive to trick number 3, which is less animations. Last but not least, let's talk about animations. They can be fun, sure, but too much can be a recipe for website disaster. We've all seen it, fancy animations that take forever to load, leaving visitors staring at a black screen. The solution? Use animations sparingly and focus on loading the content first. Your visitors will thank you for it. We created a demo to showcase how a overloaded website with animation might look like. First we get an image loading, and then we get an intro. God forbid if we get that intro page. And then we press the button of the intro page and we get to the actual website. In the meantime, our visitors had a coffee, had a smoke, and they are off to new green pastures because they got bored. So as you can see, we cannot make our visitors wait for our content, so let's load the content first and then worry about animations. If you enjoyed this video, I created another video for you up there in the top right corner about websites and micro interactions. That's the proper way to use animations in your website. I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.